Moving from motifs to themes. Hello readers, welcome back. If you'd like to hear directions, please watch the video. How are you? Take 3 breaths, in with a good, out with a bad. Where are you on the compass? And ignite your memory. Have you noticed repeated images or ideas and stories? Chunks start at the beginning, and as you reread, see if anything repeats. These repeated images or ideas are called motifs. Motifs. Try a timeline. Use a post-it or just note images or ideas that repeat. In Raymond's Run, one relative after another are named, so family members are repeatedly mentioned. Squeaky, mother, father, brothers, Raymond, grandfather. Father, mother, Raymond. Squeaky is tough and loves her family. Review. One possible theme in Raymond's Run, click to get to the story, might be thinking of our family rather than ourselves might make us happier. At the beginning of the story, Squeaky starts mentioning family members. She watches her brother Raymond, which is enough. This irritation about family changes. At the end of the race, she is jumping for joy because her brother ran as fast as she did. This talent also fits in with the talent in their family, and this is a great feeling for Squeaky because she feels a sense of belonging. Since the beginning of the story, Squeaky changed from thinking about her difficulties to thinking about Raymond's feelings. So, common themes. Be yourself. To thine own self be true. Even ordinary people can be heroes. Special gifts can be a blessing because we can use them to help others. And this is the optional reading. The Literacy Common Core Goal. Cite several pieces of textual evidence to support analysis of what the text says explicitly, as well as inferences drawn from the text. Inferences are educated guesses. Rubric. All 4 sentences answered and persuasive theme is explained. 4. All sentences answered and a theme is defended. 2. Most sentences answered and a theme is mentioned. 0 to 1, 1 sentence is answered and the theme is not mentioned. So sentence starters in my choice book. You put your book, your title, and author. What repeats? Conflict, setting, people, images, animals. Repeats. So whatever you choose repeats. This motif, whatever repeats, suggests that the main message might be, and then you guess. Don't know what motif is? Watch this video to help you. The flowers repeat, so flowers equal motif. Theme is caring, compassion for family, love for family. Another video with an important message. Look for anything that repeats. Dancing. Soyo. And this is a screenshot of my timeline. Squeaky, mother, father, brothers, grandfather, etc. Good luck. Have a great day, everybody. Bye.